Guys, it's Annie with Universal Parks News today. We're at Universal's Islands of Adventure in Hogsmeade because Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey has got new lockers. So the lockers are located to the left of the entrance. So before you go through, you'll be directed to this pathway here on the left, and you'll make your way down to the new themed lockers. So we'll check it out.
That is going to stand in the dungeon. If a guest...
So we'll make our way, check out the new lockers. So they've got kind of a pathway here on the right side for guests going towards the lockers and a larger path on the left for guests coming from the lockers. We'll see how that works out. It's a little bright here, so you'll have to bear with me. You can see they're already being used. Team members are excited. This is a great new addition here. I'm gonna turn around and give you guys a good look. So the back side of this structure is visible from Jurassic Park. As you go through the arch into Jurassic Park, you'll see the back side of this building. It's very themed. It's got all this rock work here, moss, everything. Just so you can see how close it is to the castle. So it's beautifully themed, fits right in. They've got free lockers as well as the paid for lockers. They are no longer using the lockers that are inside the building. So this will be where you store your stuff before you ride Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey.
Hi, take away. All right, just scan your card ticket at any station. It'll open the lockers, okay?
So we've got, what, 3 kind of caves here?
Yeah. I'll have the small lockers and the large lockers.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Which one should I go into just to take a little look?
Oh, let's see. There's no one in this.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Just with social distancing, I want to make sure that I wasn't going anywhere that I shouldn't be, but I do want to show you guys a close-up of the lockers. Even the ceiling here is themed. Looks great.
Remember to keep your park ticket with you at all times. You will need your park ticket to reopen your assigned locker.
So you'll use your park ticket, open a locker, store your stuff, ride the attraction, and then return. Use your park ticket to reopen your locker. And there are also larger paid-for lockers here too. This is actually really fun to stand in. It's kind of cool.
To rent a locker, please scan your park ticket at the locker station that has a green light. Remember to keep your ticket with you at all times.
And there you have it.
You will need your park ticket to reenter.
So this is a great new addition here for Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey.
To the lockers, including cell phones, wallets, bags, and loose change. Remember to keep your park ticket with you.
You can already see how many guests are making their way in and out here. So let us know in the comments if you guys are excited for these new lockers here. And of course, make sure you guys subscribe to Universal Parks News today for all your Universal Parks news.